Don't come near me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi, what's he doing?
Feet were bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Push the button. Well, they're not ready yet.
Are you videoing your puppy walking?
Yes, I want to show how social she is.
She's very cute.
There's just people in the ring.
I'll bring my camera tomorrow. Yeah, and I do have my camera.
Say hi to the puppy.
That's really nice. Yes.
Say hi to the puppy. Aren't you listening?
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Thank you, ladies. Huh? She doesn't have a name yet. Miss Red. Well, yeah, that's one of the puppies that I had at the trial at Medicine Hat. Miss Red. Oh. Okay. Where are you going?
Okay. You're not bored, dog.
It's quiet.
Hello, puppy. You'll have to use that food, sorry. I can work out my yogurt container.
Yes, you can.
Here, sweetie.
Ooh.
Yum, yum. And you have the advantage of having a long nose.
Yes. It comes out endy sometimes.
What did you call this one?
She misread so far. Misread. Yeah, or no, it's puppy.
Hey, you puppy.
Oh, look, it's Skipper Keys.
Are you a little quirky with the long tail?
Well, there's Skipper Key in the background. Yep,
Makes sense.
yep,
Same country, right?
yep. Come on. Oh, we have friends here. Do we have friends here?
Hi, Denise. Hi. Is this the one that I was playing with at the training troop trial? Do you remember I took one and I was...
That was Tuna.
Oh, okay. Hi, Dee.
This is Miss Red.
Hi, Miss Red. Hi, Dee. Amanda, it's not coming down. Miss Red. Hi, Dee.
Because she had her red ribbon.
Hi, Dee.
Ah.
Hi, Dee. Hi, Dee. How old are they now?
3 months. You want to tug with her?
Sure.
Oh, you have to drag it.
Here, Dee.
Oh, and there's food.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Oh, and there's food, too.
Oh, there's food there.
Here, Dee.
From the it's way more fun than.
Yeah. Tug,
She's-
what tug? There's food.
Oh, an apple.
Oh, an apple core.
Okay, the apple farm.
It's oh no, there's
Oh, yeah, it's not going to happen.
no. Oh, it's oh, food.
Oh, yeah, just too,
Yeah.
motivated. Oh, my. Hello. She's your best friend. Are you texting?
No, I'm videotaping to show how social she
Oh,
is.
okay. Well, there you go.
Have you seen her before today? Well, you've seen her when she was... No, were you at Medicine Hat? Nope.
I think I saw them all in the X-Men, maybe at the
Training troop. You have to run so she chases you. Oh, there's more people here. No. So much stuff to see.
I know, eh?
What? I know she has a good nose. She sniffs stuff on the counter that she can't see. Ooh. Huh?
She has some deer?
Yep. She loves her food. It's food. Sheila, you could do tracking with her already.
I think so.
Yep.